Hey everyone, welcome back to FinExPros. Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked but can significantly enhance your computing experience: customizing your mouse pointer in Windows 11 Microsoft 365. Whether you want to resize it, change its style, or fine-tune its speed, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First things first, let's navigate to the mouse pointer settings. There are various methods to reach this option. Here's the first approach. Right-click on the Windows Start icon located in the taskbar to unveil the menu. Select Settings. This will direct you to the Windows Settings menu. From there, select Bluetooth and Devices, and on the subsequent page, locate the mouse settings. The second method involves accessing mouse settings through the Control Panel. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Launch Control Panel and navigate to Hardware and Sound. Within the Devices and Printers section, click on Mouse. For the third and simplest method, type mouse settings in the search bar and press Enter. That's it. You'll find the mouse settings conveniently using any of these three methods. After locating the mouse settings, let's discuss resizing the mouse pointer. In Windows 11, adjusting the size of your pointer is remarkably simple. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click on the mouse pointer, look for the pointer size slider. You can adjust it to the left for a smaller pointer or to the right for a larger one. Move the slider until you find the size that suits you best. Now, let's talk about styles. Windows 11 offers a variety of mouse pointer styles to choose from. To access these options, in the Mouse Settings, Mouse Pointer Style section located on the top of the page. Click on the drop-down menu to see different available styles, such as Windows Default, Inverted, Black, and White. Select the style you prefer, and you'll see the changes take effect immediately. If you want to take your customization a step further, you can also change the color of your mouse pointer. In the Mouse Settings, find the Change Pointer Color option. Click on the drop-down menu to choose from predefined colors, or click on Pick a custom pointer color for more options. Select the color you like, and again, the changes will be applied in real time. Next, choose either to return to the Bluetooth and Devices page or simply click on the Bluetooth and Devices section in the sidebar. Select the Adjusting Primary Mouse button, which is on the top of the list. Here, you'll find the option to adjust the primary mouse button. You can choose between left or right depending on your preference. This setting is particularly useful for left-handed users. Next up, let's fine-tune the mouse pointer speed. Still in the mouse settings, you'll see a slider labeled Change Pointer Speed. Move the slider left or right to adjust the speed to your liking. Experiment with different settings until you find the one that feels most comfortable for you. Now, let's talk about scrolling. Rolling the mouse wheel is a common action, and you can customize how it behaves. Back in the mouse settings, look for Roll the mouse wheel to scroll. Here, you have two options: multiple lines at a time and one screen at a time. If you choose multiple lines at a time, you can further fine-tune the scrolling experience. Click on Additional Mouse Options to open the Mouse Properties window. Head over to the Wheel tab, and under Vertical Scrolling, you can set the number of lines to scroll at a time. Adjust this according to your preference and click Apply. That's all for today. We've covered everything from resizing your mouse pointer to adjusting its speed and adding that personal touch, all customized for Excel users on Windows 11 365 edition. If you found this tutorial beneficial, show your support with a thumbs up. For a continuous flow of finance and tech tips, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.